Hi guys, welcome back. Joseph here. So, thank you for everybody who's been following my journey in building a life insurance business here in the Philippines. So today is a Saturday. I just wanted to share with you ano nangyari and what goes through my day as I continue to build this business. So usually kasi guys, pag Saturday, I reserve this day for our prayer group community. So in the morning, we gather together. We have a very nice session today, I would say. Really interested yung mga umattend, and I'm glad the speaker or the priest actually was very engaging also. That he was entertaining all sorts of questions that we have to extend the session. Anything ng good part about it also. Really blessed kasi during the session, I received a text message from one of my clients that I approached prior, which is yesterday. And dumating siguro na late lang dumating yung text niya. But nag-message siya confirming that he wants to meet with me by tomorrow. So really happy. We are able to set up an appointment even if we're doing something else. So that's the power of having systems, putting in the work also. So tomorrow, I'm gonna meet that client. So every Saturday yan. In the afternoon, I also make time for fellowship. Mga kasama ko sa community, get together lang, catch up and everything. So we have a nice time also with friends that I haven't seen. Hindi sila nag-attend lately, but it's good to know that people been praying for you. And yun, they actually asked me, kamusta naman? How's your progress? How's been? I really appreciate this kind of people. Kasi I know they're very supportive. They know I know they're also there if there's something that I would need from them. Not because may kailangan lang ako sa kanila or may kailangan sila sa akin. It's just checking in on you. So really appreciate to have people like that. It's very rare to have people around you that would understand, what you're trying to do without, any hidden agenda or kung may makukuha ba sila sa inyo. So purely, support and friendship. So thank God also for that. So, aside from that, medyo napasobra yata yung kain, kwentuhan, and nakatulog ako. I had to take a nap in the afternoon. And I missed an important briefing for our company. So, pasensya na sa mga BDMs natin. Pasensya na po, and our leaders. So, pasensya na. Walang excuse. Nakatulog talaga ako. Pag-iisip ko, nag-message pa sila. There's a Zoom briefing that we had to attend to. And that's for a Monday event. Kasi we're gonna have our mid-year sales kickoff in Okada. So, na-invite tayo dyan. Another blessing. So, thank you, thank you. So, exciting then. What's gonna happen? What will be the announcements, the new things, new opportunities within the business, within the company. So, Monday, nasa Okada tayo guys. Excited to meet all the other agents in the company, all the other leaders in the company, learn from them, connect with them. So, sana karoon tayo ng lakas sa loob to approach them, ask for collaboration or a video, so forth. So after that, doon na sunod-sunod yung natin, medyo nag-downhill today. She had 3, received 3, not so good news kasi before making this video, I received a message from a potential recruit, We've been talking for about 2 weeks. Coming from BPO industry. Yun, sabi niya, sir, moving forward, with another company. So, not joining AAA for now. Which I really also appreciate for being honest and straightforward to me. So, ako naman, open naman ako. Hindi naman siya pipilitin if he or she doesn't want to join us. As long as maganda rin naging opening ako or nagkaroon ng consideration to be part of our company, part of our team. Pero down the line siguro, we just have to keep the connection open and see how they go. So, hindi naman lahat na makausap natin will join right away or even if they're in the process, Importante kasi when you're building a team is the good fit, the right fit, the best fit, Kasi matter if siya yung pinakamagaling or ito yung pinaka gustong candidate, if hindi talaga match, hindi talaga eh. So, we'll just have to continue looking for next candidate, and yung other two rin nagkaroon lang ng budget problems. Kasi to be honest guys, to be transparent, when you enter this kind of business, it's not easy. You know, not everybody is qualified to become an insurance agent. We have to go through what we call the licensure process. So we go through the insurance commission, we take an exam. You have to pass that exam. You know, may bayad kasi yung exam. Per exam is about 1,000 pesos. But guess what? Yung 1,000 pesos na yan, yun lang magiging capital mo in this kind of business. Sabi ko lang, is very low, very affordable, but the reward or the ROI ang laki. Kasi the potential is so big that right now, even the second generation, the third generation, fourth generation of the founders of an agency is enjoying the benefits. Kumbaga, napasa-pasa na yung mga kliyente, the business was passed on to the next generation. It's very rare to see that kind of business. And if you see that, that is the biggest opportunity. Hindi lang yung pagiging agent. No? For example, magaling ka talaga close ng deal. You find clients talaga. But I would rather recommend na also build this kind of business. Kasi it could go on for the next generation. And ibang klase din yung benefits here. Especially when it comes to retirement. So, meron tayong plus or minus again. Hindi lahat ng araw is always a plus. Meron tayong set appointment for potential client. Then, yun nga, nabuhasan tayo ng mga potential candidates and recruits. Pero, sobrang dami guys. Sobrang daming who's looking for an opportunity. Sobrang daming gusto pa makatulong sa ibang tao. Sobrang dami din na hindi ko pa nakakausap. So, baka meron kayong kilala rin or who would be interested in this kind of career, this kind of business. I'll be happy to talk to them. I'll be happy to connect with them. We'll see if they would qualify. If we're a good match also. But definitely an opportunity, a big opportunities here.